If you want to create an Epic Games account quickly and correctly, this video will walk you through the full process step by step. Whether you want to play Fortnite, Rocket League, or any other Epic Games title, setting up your account is the first thing you need to do. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple how-to guides like this. First, open your browser and go to epicgames.com. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner and click Sign In. On the next page, choose Sign Up to begin creating a brand new account. Now, Epic Games will show you a few different sign-up options. The recommended methods are Google, Apple, PlayStation, or Xbox, because they make the process faster and easier. Go ahead and choose whichever method you prefer. If you want the smoothest setup, using Google is usually the quickest option. After selecting your method, Epic Games may ask whether you have played Epic Games games before. If you are creating a completely new account, select No. This helps Epic Games set up the account properly from scratch instead of linking it to an existing profile. Next, you'll need to enter your details. Fill in your first name and last name, then review the agreement options and check the boxes you accept. After that, choose your display name. This is the name other players will see, so pick something you're happy with. Once everything is filled out correctly, click Continue. In some cases, Epic Games will ask you to verify your email address. If that happens, open your inbox and look for the Epic Games verification email. Open it and click the verification link inside. This step is important because it confirms your account and helps keep it secure. Once the email is verified, you're done. Your Epic Games account has been created successfully and you're now ready to sign in, download games, and start playing. If this video helped you, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. And if you want more step-by-step guides just like this one, check out the rest of the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.